So I'm flying the Babyhawk here. Switched the motors and the flight controller because the one that came with it basically ripped apart and died. And the motors just kind of felt underpowered for me. Lots of people say they really like it, but for me I just felt like it didn't feel really powerful enough on its own. It felt a little heavy. So I switched to the 1504.5 Bortherhobby motors, the 3950 kV. I think they are my favorite 3-inch motors, especially if you're flying something a little bit heavier. This is sitting at around like close to 250 grams, flying with a 900 GNB battery, which I like as well. I switched the propellers to HQ T323 propellers, so they're 3-inch propellers, and I actually like the way it flies more with these than the 3.5 propellers. I don't really know why. I just like them more. The way that it flies, though, is not my favorite. Like, you have to kind of work a little bit more to try and keep it more stable. It's not doing that automatically as nicely as some of the other things that I fly. So this is basically my try at getting it to fly nicely using other parts than what it came with, like a little mod it yourself and try and make it better. But overall, I'm not that happy with it, so I'm taking it apart. I'm gonna put it back to the Patre, which is basically my favorite drone to fly. And you can see it in some of the other videos, and you'll see it in more videos to come. I have a digital version, and I just built a analog version, so I'll be flying both of those, and you can see how that is. Thanks for joining. Please like the video. If you do that, that helps me. And happy flying.
Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!